Calls are pouring into the office of Senate Majority Leader John Thune over the Save America Act, the bill that would require proof of citizenship and voter ID for federal elections. Supporters say the bill would strengthen election integrity and point to polling showing an overwhelming majority of the public supports voter ID. And even though it passed the House and has the votes to pass the Senate, the filibuster is a procedural hurdle that Thune has been unable to clear. Some advocates argue he could bring the bill forward using the talking filibuster process, forcing the opposition to debate a popular bill out in the open on the floor in front of the American people. But Thune is refusing to do this, effectively killing the bill. And in other news, early data for 2025 shows that overdose deaths are continuing to decline, which is contributing to a rise in US life expectancy. And homicides hit a sharp decline in 2025, a 25% drop in 40 major cities, with cities like Baltimore seeing a 60% decrease.